Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Warhammer news video. As per usual with all these videos, if you like them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from you guys, and it goes a long way to help the channel out too. So, without further ado, this video I just wanted to go through some of the news updates from Warhammer and Games Workshop themselves. So, of course, no new updates on what's happening with Curse City. Could be, yeah, who knows? Who knows what's going on with that? But there are a lot of people who are obviously upset by it and a bit peed off with the fact that they can't get hold of it. I still believe that they may re-release it, but in some of the communications that they've sent to people, they have actually mentioned that some of the models will be available separately with the new Soul Blight Gravelords set. So whether that's for heroes, whether it's just the, we already know that the good old the new Dead Walkers are going to be available, and the Orphan Watch will be available separately because they are the new skeletons. Whether the Kasagi Night Guard will be available separately, who knows? And you know, who knows if they're going to do some of the heroes separately. I believe that they probably will, the way they go with things, but it's a bit of a mystery, so who knows. But alternatively, on that one, there is of course the pre-order schedule for Games Workshop, which of course has been set back. Obviously the pandemic has not helped, and they've suspended their services. However, their service will resume on Saturday the 8th of May, and among other goodies there will be the new Necromunda starter set, Hive War, which looks pretty cool. It's a pretty decent looking box. We had a glimpse of it not long ago, including gangs from House Escher and the Delac gang, which will be pretty cool. I do like House Escher, they look really cool models, they look really fun. So yeah, some good stuff coming. I may even pick this up myself, depends on how much it is, depends on how much time I've got to paint it up. But I quite like that. I like the idea of being able to do, say, like the House Escher in a comic book style. I think they look perfect for it, and I think the Necromunda set would look really good in that kind of style as well. So maybe that may be a purchase for the future. Other than that, if you like your Warhammer 40k, of course, there is a new Sister of Battle, or Adeptus Sororitas, if you like to call them by their trademark name, which is a standard bearer who looks really cool. So she is known as Estred Thurga, and she has dedicated her life to the protection of one relic of all others, the wonderfully named Auto Tapestry of the Emperor's Judgment. So a pretty cool looking banner itself, she's clutching very tightly, and obviously desperate to make sure that it survives. And yeah, a really cool looking model. I like the idea that you can have her with helmet or without helmet, even though she's a standard bearer. And that standard looks fantastic with them kind of purity seals on the back of it as well, which look really cool, and whoever painted them did a lot of good work on them. But yeah, very nice new model that is going to be coming our way. And talking of new models, of course, it's a Monday, so they've revealed a new model, which is a new Sylvaneth, which it's not very often we see new Sylvaneth, but it's always very cool. This is of course keeping it in with the Broken Realms and everything like that as well. So this is a Warsong Revenant who plays the Spirit Song, which has the power to cause the land itself to come alive. Hence all these tendrils that are sprouting up from the earth and everything like that, which are really cool. I do quite like the look of this model. When I saw the silhouette of it yesterday, I thought maybe, just maybe, it is going to be one of the new Lumineth Realm Lords, because they all have that kind of archway halo type thing going on with them. But no, it's a different type of elven unit. It is of course a Sylvaneth, but looks really cool. I do really like that model. It's a pretty different, the wooden legs look pretty cool as well. very, very unusual, and I can imagine some people are going to have an absolute field day painting that bugger up, and it looks, yeah, pretty damn cool. But of course, that is not the only news. There is, of course, the news that Warhammer Fest Online 2021 is on its way. So loads of new little bits and pieces should come along, so some new reveals and everything like that. So to break this down, Monday the 3rd, so this will be going all next week from Monday to Saturday, and there'll be new reveals. So Monday the 3rd we get Age of Sigmar reveals, Tuesday the 4th Warhammer 40k, Wednesday the 5th is Black Library, Thursday the 6th is Boxed Game, so I'm guessing more Warhammer Underworlds, all that type of stuff. 7th is more Warhammer 40k, in all honesty. And Saturday the 8th is not revealed yet, so a bit of a mystery. So it could be something really, really good, could be something really, really exciting. We shall see. I will try to keep up with this news cycle as much as I possibly can and do some more videos on it, if that is the type of thing that you want to see. But it should be really, really good. With all of these though, what will be happening is, so you can tune in to Warhammer Community from Monday the 3rd to see all of the reveals as they happen from 6 PM onwards. That is 6 PM British summertime. So that is UK time zone. So if you are elsewhere in the world, make sure you kind of filter it out to and adjust it to your time zone. For some people, I know it's going to be impossible to catch it, but you know, everything will be on the Warhammer Community website, and I will do a video with all the best reveals as well, as much as I possibly can. But I will be back at work, so I'm actually off this week, so it's kind of coming in at the wrong bloody time really for me in one way or another. But some really, really good stuff, and it'll be nice to see some even newer models, which will be pretty cool. But other than that, that is it. So a very, very quick video. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Bye bye now.